let's talk about something surprisingly simple yet powerful that many older men overlook, and that is the role of certain foods in supporting healthy circulation and natural energy. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to support stronger blood flow is by chewing foods that are rich in compounds that increase nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a natural molecule in the body that helps relax and widen blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow where it needs to go. This is very important when it comes to maintaining good erections, because at the end of the day, it's all about healthy circulation. Foods like beets, spinach, and pomegranate seeds are some of the best natural boosters, and the great news is that they are easy to add into your day. For example, if you chew a few pieces of raw beet or some pomegranate seeds slowly for about a minute, your saliva starts mixing with the natural nitrates in the food, which can help your body turn them into nitric oxide more effectively. Think of it like giving your body a little circulation tune-up without needing a pill or a complicated routine. Many men in their 60s and 70s find that small changes like this are much easier to stick with compared to big lifestyle overhauls, and they notice gradual improvements in energy, stamina, and confidence. Another nice thing about these foods is that they come with extra benefits beyond sexual health. Beets and spinach, for example, are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support heart health and keep blood pressure in a healthier range, which in turn also supports erectile function. Pomegranate seeds are not only delicious, but also provide a natural sweetness that makes healthy eating more enjoyable. The act of chewing itself plays a role too, because it allows the body more time to absorb and process the nutrients. Imagine making this a small daily ritual, something you look forward to as part of your routine, knowing that it is helping your body in more ways than one. When you think of it this way, chewing these foods is less about a chore and more about a simple act of self-care that can improve your vitality and your confidence in a natural way. When it comes to maintaining energy, strength, and healthy sexual function as we age, two nutrients stand out as especially important for men. Zinc and vitamin D. These are often called the vitality duo, because they work together to support testosterone, immune health, and overall vitality. Zinc is a mineral that plays a key role in hormone production, and when levels are too low, men may notice a dip in energy, slower recovery, and even changes in sexual performance. The good news is that zinc is easy to find in everyday foods. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources, and just a small handful each day can give your body a healthy boost. Other good options include beans, lentils, and lean meats like chicken or turkey. On the other hand, vitamin D is sometimes called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies make it when sunlight hits the skin. Unfortunately, as men get older, it becomes harder for the body to produce enough vitamin D, especially if you spend more time indoors. Low vitamin D is linked not only to weaker bones and muscle loss, but also to lower testosterone and reduced energy. Spending just 10 to 15 minutes in gentle sunlight a few times a week can help, and combining that with foods like eggs, salmon, or fortified milk gives you even more support. Together, zinc and vitamin D are like a foundation for male vitality, helping the body feel more energized, balanced, and ready for activity. The encouraging part is that you don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to get enough of them. A simple daily routine of enjoying foods that contain these nutrients, combined with a little sunlight and movement, can make a meaningful difference. Imagine waking up with more drive and motivation, feeling stronger and more capable during the day, and more confident at night. That sense of renewed vitality is possible with just small, consistent steps, and it begins with making sure your body has the right building blocks to support its natural hormone balance and overall energy. One of the most overlooked but incredibly powerful habits for better energy and stronger erections is something very simple, and that is staying hydrated. As men get older, it's easy to drink less water without even noticing. Sometimes the body's natural thirst signal becomes weaker with age, which means you might not feel thirsty even when your body actually needs more fluids. The problem is that dehydration, even just a little bit, can make you feel more tired, lower your mood, and reduce circulation. Since good blood flow is essential for sexual health, not having enough water in your system can make it harder for your body to perform at its best. Think about how a garden hose works. If the hose is dry inside, water struggles to pass through, but if the hose is full and flexible, the flow is smooth and steady. Your blood vessels work in a similar way, and water helps keep everything running smoothly. A simple trick is to keep a glass or bottle of water nearby during the day, and take small sips regularly instead of waiting until you feel very thirsty. Some men like to flavor their water naturally with a slice of lemon, cucumber, or a few mint leaves, which makes drinking more enjoyable without adding sugar or calories. Another easy way to boost hydration is by eating water-rich foods like oranges, watermelon, or even cucumbers, which provide both hydration and important vitamins. Aiming for 6 to 8 glasses a day is a good guideline, but the key is listening to your body and noticing signs of dehydration like dry mouth, headaches, or feeling unusually tired. By staying hydrated, you're not only supporting sexual health but also helping your heart, your joints, and your brain. Many men are surprised at how much better they feel when they make hydration a consistent daily habit, with more energy during the day, better focus, and improved stamina. The body simply functions better when it's well hydrated, and this small step can make a meaningful difference in how you feel, move, and live each day. Movement is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining vitality as you grow older, and the best part is that it doesn't have to be intense or complicated. Gentle daily activity such as walking, stretching, or even a short session of chair yoga can do wonders for circulation, flexibility, and overall confidence. Many men assume that improving sexual health requires heavy workouts or tough gym sessions, but in reality, consistent light activity is often more beneficial and sustainable. When you move your body, your heart pumps blood more efficiently, which means better circulation to every part of the body, including the areas that matter most for sexual function. Even a simple 15-minute walk after a meal can help regulate blood sugar, reduce stiffness in the joints, and improve energy levels, all of which contribute to better performance and vitality. Stretching is another powerful but often forgotten practice. Gentle stretches in the morning can wake up your muscles, improve flexibility, and make you feel more limber throughout the day. This kind of movement also helps reduce stress, which is another hidden factor in erectile health. Chair yoga or simple balance exercises are especially helpful for men who may have mobility challenges, as they allow you to strengthen your muscles and improve circulation without strain. The goal is not to push yourself to exhaustion, but to create a steady rhythm of movement that keeps the body active and alive. Imagine incorporating small bursts of movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking around the house during phone calls, or doing a few gentle leg lifts while watching TV. These small efforts build up over time and create a strong foundation for health, confidence, and sexual vitality. Gentle movement also boosts mood by releasing endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which reduce stress and increase feelings of well-being. The combination of better circulation, stronger muscles, improved mood, and reduced stress all work together to support natural erectile health and a greater sense of energy throughout the day. Stress is something every man experiences, but when it becomes a constant part of daily life, it can quietly drain energy, lower hormone levels, and even reduce blood flow, all of which can have a direct impact on erections. The body responds to stress by releasing hormones like cortisol, and when these remain high for too long, they interfere with testosterone and overall vitality. The encouraging news is that stress can be managed in simple, gentle ways that fit easily into daily life. One of the easiest techniques is slow, deep breathing. Just a few minutes of inhaling deeply through the nose, holding for a moment, and exhaling slowly through the mouth can calm the nervous system and help the body shift out of stress mode. Another helpful habit is practicing gratitude. Taking a moment each day to think of 2 or 3 things you feel thankful for has been shown to improve mood, reduce tension, and create a more positive outlook, which naturally helps the body relax and function better. Music is another powerful stress reliever. Listening to calming tunes or even old favorite songs that bring back good memories can lower blood pressure, relax muscles, and improve circulation. For many men, creating small daily rituals like enjoying a cup of tea in peace, sitting outside in the fresh air, or spending time with loved ones also reduces the weight of stress. These practices may seem small, but over time they create a calmer, more balanced environment inside the body, which directly supports sexual health and overall well-being. It's also worth remembering that laughter is a natural stress buster. Watching a light-hearted show or sharing a laugh with a friend can quickly lower tension and help restore balance. By paying attention to stress and giving yourself permission to slow down and relax, you allow your body to work the way it was meant to. A calmer mind supports better blood flow, steadier hormones, and more confidence, which together create a stronger foundation for healthy erections and greater vitality.